Hi, my name is Dr. P. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm the author of the book Cocktail Party Mathematics. Please like and subscribe to my channel. At the end, I will give you all a riddle for your chance to win a t-shirt and my book. And the one of you who will get the most likes will win a unique t-shirt, and the one I personally like the most will win a copy of the book. If you see your name here, congratulations, you're the last week's winner for the t-shirt. Please email me at cocktailpartymathematics, all one word, @gmail.com. To claim your prize, if you see your name now, you are the last week's winner for the free book with my autograph. Congratulations, you may email me at the same address to claim your book. Now, for today's topic, do you remember the show Let's Make a Deal with host Monty Hall from the 60s and 70s? I used to watch it in the 70s. I know there is a newer version of the show now, but I haven't had a chance to watch that yet. Okay, this is the way the show worked. There are three closed curtains, or you can call them doors, and then a car is behind one of the doors, and a donkey is behind the other two doors. So the contestant picks a door that they think has the car. At this point, Monty, the host, already knows exactly which door has the car. So he's gonna always open one of the two doors that the contestant did not choose, that has a donkey, and shows that door to the contestant. At this point, Monty asks the contestant, do you want to stay with the door you chose initially, or you want to switch to the other door? So the question now becomes, what's the best strategy to win the car? Oh, by the way, when I was really amused when I used to watch a show that they actually had that live donkey behind the door. They see the donkey moving around. I thought it was kind of a cute creature. Anyway, now this problem has received lots of attention and has had famous mathematicians looking at it. So back to the problem, what's the best strategy? Is it always to switch doors, or always stay with the door you initially chose? Best way I thought to show the solution was to list all possible outcomes. This way we don't have to think too much and come up with any eloquent solutions. I personally hate it when I have to think. If I can get away without thinking, I will. So here are all the possible outcomes. The door picked and the door that has the car. So we have the door, if the contestant picks door 1, then we have the possibility that the door that has the car is number 1. Or the contestant picks door 1, possibility is car is under door 2. Or contestant picked 1, the car is under door 3. And then similarly for the doors 2s and 3s. So there's 9 possible options here. All of these have equal probability. They're the exact same probability. So now, let me fill in this piece. This is now whether we switch or not switch, whether we're going to win or not. So if I pick door number 1 and the car's under door 1, and I'm not going to switch, I'm going to stay the same, I'm going to win in this case. If I switch, I will lose. The only other times I will win is if I stay the same, which is 2 and 2, I will win on that one, and I will lose if I switch. And then door 3 and 3, because if I pick 3 and the thing's under 3 and I'm not switching, I'll win and I'll lose on this one. Every other entry here, I'm gonna lose if I don't switch, and win in the other case. So this will be lose, 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 and there'll be win, win, and win. So if you notice now how many times did we switch? Notice how many of those we won if we switched? 6 of them. How many did we win? How many of them when we didn't switch we won? There's 1, 2, 3. So 6 out of the 9 chance of when we do switch, that's 2/3. Your chance is 2/3 if you do switch, and it's 1/3 if you don't switch. This is kind of counterintuitive to me. So now let's look at another problem. At that point, Monty opens the door with a donkey. There are 2 doors left. I'm going to flip a coin and say, let's pick one of the doors at that point. So what's my chance there? It's just basically 50-50 if I pick the right door or not. So if I switch the problem to that strategy, I get only 1/2. So still, the always switching strategy, which is 2/3, is the best strategy. It's better than the half and better than the third if not switching. I don't know if you remember at the end of the Let's Make a Deal show, Monty would ask the audience a question like, does anyone have a nail clipper or matches or some funky object? And if you had it, you would win like a few $100s. Well, my grandmother should have been on that part of the show. I remember her purse. She usually had like a million objects in it, and it weighed like a suitcase. So she would have definitely won something if she got on the show and if she could understand English. God rest her soul. Okay, this week's question will be a little different. Please type in the comment section below a specific topic to be covered in my future video. The comment with the most likes will win a unique t-shirt with a quotation from my book. The comment I personally like the most will win the autographed book with your name on it. It could be the same person. It could be you. Good luck, and we will see you in my next videos. Ciao.